So we're going to move on to frequency trees today. They're quite like probability trees that we've been doing in the last couple of lessons. I think they're a little bit easier, so hopefully we'll find this work a little bit more straightforward. Just crack straight on into looking at this work. So we've got an example that looks like this. So the main thing to note is that we write numbers instead of probabilities in these circles. So we've got 30 boys and girls all together, so 30 students. Now what's important is we can use the information that we've got to fill in the frequency tree. So we've got 30 students like coffee, 20 were girls. So we can straight away go in here and write 20 were girls. Now we know that there's 30 people that we're splitting up, so there must be 10 that were boys. Next, 6 boys like coffee. We've got 6 boys. We had 10 boys altogether, so we know 4 boys don't like coffee. Then up the top here, we've got 12 girls do not like coffee. We had 20 girls altogether. There must be 8 that that do like coffee. We can now use this to do probabilities. Use the diagram to find the probability that a student chosen at random was a girl who liked coffee. So a girl who liked coffee is going to be this here. So it's 8 out of 30 out of our total people. So the answer to B is 30. C, boy is chosen at random. Find the probability that he does not like coffee. So we've got down here 4 again out of 30. So probability here is 4 out of 30. So chance for you to have a go at doing this yourself. So have a go at copying this down and fill in the information for me, please. So looking at this, we've got 350 customers. So that goes in here. 120 chose a burger. So we can then say hot dog must be 230 because these two numbers, burger and hot dog, must add up to make 350. 30 burgers were plain. So 30 burgers were plain. These two numbers again, onions and plain, must add up to be 120. So we must have a 90 here. Hot dog, 120 wanted onions. So that means to add up to 230, we must have a 20 here. A customer is selected at random. They choose a hot dog. What is the probability that they choose onions? So a little bit trickier here. We know that we want the probability that they choose onions, but we only looking at the people who had hot dogs. So it's 210 out of 230 this time. We have to look at what we've been told. So we've been told here that they've got a hot dog. So what I'd like you to do now is have a look at the worksheet that is attached. Only one task today, slightly longer worksheet. So I've put here bronze, silver and gold for you to have a look at. If you start off on bronze and do those ones and then want to do a bit more, feel free to push yourselves on and have a look at those apply section questions on gold. But yeah, don't feel like you have to work through that whole worksheet today. Just pick out the questions for either bronze, silver or gold there. Thank you.